Wishing to everyone, our project title is single phase 7-hour grid connected inverter for photovoltaic system. This project proposes a novel pulse width modulation control scheme. 3 reference signals that are identical to each other. This system produces 7-hour output signal. That 7-hour output signal is VDC, 2 VDC divided by 3, VDC divided by 3, 0, minus VDC, minus 2 VDC divided by 3, minus VDC divided by 3. These are the 7-hour output of this signal. Existing system, 3-hour and 5-hour inverters can satisfy specification through very high switching, but it could also unfortunately increasing switching losses and aesthetic noises and level of interfacing to other equipments. So we are implementing to 7-hour inverter. This proposed system, multi-hour inverters are proposing they have nearly sinusoidal output voltage waveform, output current with better harmonics profile, less stressing of electronic components and decreases voltages. Scope and objectives: less stressing of electronic components, switching losses is low, harmonics reduction. This application of our project is to use to grid, to use in industrial purpose and battery cells in the robotic transformer. We are using 2 transformers. These transformers are used to input supply. This transformer is used to give an input to the PIC microcontroller, and this transformer is used to drive a circuit. This is the driver circuit of this circuit. PIC microcontroller is used to give one triggering pulse to the driver circuit, and this is our load, inductive load. This is solar panel. This solar panel used to produce the input supply. This is battery that was used to storage purpose, and this 3 capacitor is used to splitting the voltage divided by VDC divided by 3, VDC divided by 3 and VDC divided by 3. These are the 6 switches. These 6 switches, S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5, S6. These switches are used to produce the 7-hour output signals of this circuit. These switches mainly used to S4 and S2 switches is identical. These switches is one get on position or another one is get off position. These 3 capacitor splitting voltage is VDC divided by 3, VDC divided by 3 and VDC divided by 3. This is the rectifier circuit and this driver circuit. This is transistors, and this capacitor is used to identical to produce the switching voltages. This PIC microcontroller is used to programming control unit, and this microcontroller get triggering pulse to the supply. This microcontroller input voltage is plus 5 volt, and it produces to triggering pulse. This circuit given to the input of the 6 voltage of this solar panel. This 6 voltage will be boosted to the booster converter. This booster converter used to increase the 6 voltage into 12 voltage. This 12 voltage will be splitted by these 3 capacitor. This 3 capacitor splitting voltage will be get 7 hours. This 7 hours is VDC divided by 3 and 2 VDC divided by 3 and 0 minus VDC divided by 3 minus 2 VDC divided by 3 and minus VDC divided by 3. These splitting voltages will be used to this circuit.